go.
Mom.
Good night.
Good night,
Alright,
Mom.
they're getting ready to go. Okay, I guess you guys need to go. This is 6:31. Alright, love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Be careful with your stuff, okay? Do not forget it on the bus. Hi guys! Ready na kami ni Natalia to go to Chris. Hindi pala. Si Natalia pala mag-i-stay siya sa lola niya. And ako lang yung pupunta sa Christmas party. So, ito pa yung ano ni Troy. Yan. Nasa akin pa. And di hahatid ko. Hindi ko siya isasama kasi this is Troy's moment. Moment ni Troy to eh. Kasi ito yung kanyang first Christmas party. And kaya hindi ko siya isasama. So, ang Christmas party niya lang is 30 minutes lang. And then, dun sa magkuya is 1 to 2. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit 30 minutes lang yung binigay nilang celebration nila or something. Siguro dahil inaano nila na yung ibang parents is pupunta sa different classroom for other kids, yung ganon. So, kaya, maybe, I don't know. So, ayun. So, yun. Kaya, 30 minutes lang yung kanilang and, so, yung pupunta tayo. After natin pumunta sa, ni Troy, pupunta naman tayo kay Kuya Chad at saka kay Kuya Caleb na party. O, diba, ang hirap kapag ako lang mag-isa kasi, as in, sa pakahirap. Kasi, ang layo ng building, hindi naman building, pero ang layo ng room ni Troy sa room ni Chad tsaka ni Caleb. Yeah, because I had to drop you off to Mama first and then I'm gonna go kasi kailangan ko pang maglagay ng gas, guys, dahil uy, ha? No, you had to go now. Go get your boots. Kailangan ko pa kasing magpalagay ng gas ko, kaya kailangan umalis na ako today, ngayong oras. So, ito ang ating outfit of the day. Ayan. Ha? Inis na inis naman to.
I was trying to do this, but keeps on wiggling.
Well, you make sure you got it the right feet.
Is it right?
Yes, that's right. Look at me, Sissy. She's cold. It is cold. Oh my gosh. It is freezing. Kaya napakabasa pa ng buhok ko. My goodness. I-start ko na aking car para uminit siya. Go. Missy.
When it was nighttime, the house was light, covered up. Turn on with the lights on it.
Really? So guys, na-drop off ko na si Natalia. Ayan, ito na yung mga natin. Medyo nag-struggle tayo sa paglalagay niyan dito sa paglalagay sa dito sa sasakyan. But maglalagay muna ako ng gas kasi kailangan ko ng gas. Yeah, I am like way too low. Like na siya, 94 miles na lang siya. So kailangan natin maglagay ng gas. So, alright, let's go. So guys, nandito na ako sa school. So, mag-i-start na yung party. Let's go.
Jack, jump over the candlestick. Good job, good job. All right, is there Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him.
So guys, punta naman tayo sa Kuyas. Kay Chad, tsaka kay Caleb naman tayo.
back done, buddy. I'm back done. Come back later. You done?
Alright, stand right here. Right here.
Okay. Is it on timer?
It's on video, so. Come here. Alright. Alright, 1, 2, 3. You okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Cheese. Want to sit down?
Now, 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Cheese.
It's on video, so I'm gonna.
There's a barbecue.
Ayan. Did you have fun on your party, Troy?
Yeah.
What about you, Kuya? Caleb, did you enjoy your party? Yeah. So guys, bahay na kami. And na-pick up ko na rin si Natalia. So, I'm gonna, So guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha ni Troy. Ito siya. It's in the big bag like this. Troy, let me see that. Show that to them.
What, this?
Yeah. So this is what Troy got.
Paw Patrol.
He got Paw Patrol.
Can I put those in
And then, ito yung first pictures ni Troy sa school.
What?
And nila. Okay, Troy. Here. Hang it in the tree.
Okay, I'll
Oh, wait. Let me see. I'm gonna put 2024 here.
20.
Hang it right here, closer to here. There you go.
Okay, PIU.
Okay. And then, meron siyang stocking.
Yeah.
So, let's see what you have in your stocking. Oh my God, this is a lot. Okay, hold on, I'm videoing. Right here. Stay right here. Right here. Oh my gosh, it's a bunch of stuff. It's like a bunch of candy. Oh my gosh, look at the reindeer. Ako talaga yung na-excite. Ang dami naman candy. Oh my gosh, look. So much candy.
Yeah.
Hey, Sissy, turn that down, please. It's a lot of candy in here. Ang dami naman nito.
Yep.
And ito yung ni Troy.
Yeah, my stocking.
Yung stocking. Lagyan din natin ng year.
Mom!
And ato, may nauwi pa si Troy na isang ganito. Who is?
What's
Oh.
in there?
Yeah, you can check it what's in there. Mommy made that for Troy. And guys, ito yung gingerbread house ni Troy. Look! Hold on. Hold on. So, ito yung kanyang gingerbread house na ginawa nila sa school. Oh my gosh. No wonder you guys have a bunch of candy because of the gingerbread. Here, show it to Kuya Chad. Because Kuya Chad doesn't know how to make gingerbread. So, and this one is from his teacher. Ayan. And, ano to? Mayroon pang card. Troy, you have a card from from your teacher. I don't know what this is. Let's see. Open it. I'm gonna open it, okay? Oh! She made you an ornament!
What?
Oh my gosh, look! She made you an ornament! Wait. Look! Oh my gosh! That is so awesome! Here, hang it! Ang dami mo ng ornament dyan. Look at me. It's a glass kasi oh. So you have to be careful with this, okay? I'm gonna put it right here so you can see. Show it to Daddy later. So yeah, I know that because I'm the one that bought that. Ang laki ng lalagyanan na to Oy. Oh my gosh, they sent this one too. Ang daming nakalagay. Lahat ng Christmas stuff na nila, I think pinauwi na sa kanila. Oh, Troy, ang dami mo namang Oh. Oh, we're gonna keep all of your, ano. Oh my gosh!
Why Troy's not cheering?
It's popcorn! Don't take this box, okay? Because that's how it's, Oh my gosh, look! It's popcorn!
Oh
Hey, eat it!
my God!
Eat
I'm
some.
rich. I don't want some pop.
It's popcorn. Eat that one. This one is sweet.
Troy.
Mm.
That one is sweet. I'm rich.
You're rich.
With all the popcorn.
What about you
I
guys?
know that one.
That's about your pop. The
Can have your toy fire truck. Can have this. Then that's the real popcorn. That's the sugar. That is the sugar one. That's the food one. Mommy, Troy's not cheating.
No, I feel bad. I did not buy anything for your teacher.
Mommy,
What?
Troy's not cheating.
Yan na naman. I told you that's Troy from his teacher. What do you have in your bag pa, kuya? Ano? Nagulat ako. Alam ko kung ano.
This.
Who gave you that? Be careful.
This.
Okay.
The rest of the stuff is.
Did you bring your gingerbread house or no?
Oh, no.
You threw them away?
Yeah, but Miss Harvey took a picture before.
Okay.
Sure
I need that picture.
Oh.
I hope she send it to me.
Oh, she's gonna send it.
Hi guys. So, sobrang late na guys. And I am making some lumpia. Ayan. Kasi, ito yung dadalhin ni Daddy sa kanyang party sa work tomorrow. Diba? Siya yung nag-volunteer. Tapos ako yung mahihirapan. Diba? But anyway, so ito yung ating gagawin. Malaking lumpia na na tab. So yan ang gagawin natin. And then ito na rin yung gagawin natin for for Sunday kasi meron tayong game sa Sunday na white elephant. So ayun na yung magi-game tayo with family ng asawa ko. Or I mean like yung family niya, yung mama niya, yung kapatid niya. So yun, kaming lahat. Iba pa yun dun sa pagpunta natin sa bahay ng lola nila. Basta, bahay ng tita nila na ngayon. But yeah. So yun, papunta dun sa bahay ng tita nila is sa New Year's Eve pa yun. Ay, Christmas Eve. Ano ba yan? Bakit puro New Year's Eve? Christmas Eve doon kami. Then Christmas Day dito sa bahay ng mama niya. So, yeah. So, magagawa lang ako ng lumpia. Magbabalot lang ako. And then, so yeah, magbabalot lang tayo. Sabi ko kay Natalia, kuha na ko ng tali. Yeah!
Give me a chance, need you to come here.
Okay. So, ihahatid natin to. I-deliver natin to tomorrow. Para fresh. So, i-deliver natin to tomorrow. Tapos na akong mag-wrap ng lumpia. It is 12. Nakikita niyo oras. 12:30. 12:38 na. Paglinaw kasi ng ano. So, 12:38 na guys. And hindi pa ako nakakagawa ng ating Elf on the Shelf day, ano na ba, 20? Day 20 na ba? Oh my gosh, 5 days na lang Christmas na. Oh my goodness. So, ayan, dyan pa siya, hindi pa siya umaalis. O, diba? Patanggalin na natin siya dyan. So, bukas ko na lang gagawin yung ano, Elf on the Shelf. Siguro pagkagising ng mga bata, ay pagka alis ni daddy. I'm pretty sure tulog pa yan sila pagka-alis ni daddy. So, pag-alis ni daddy galing ng work, doon ko na gagawin yung ano. Actually, paggising ko pa lang ng madaling araw, ng around 5, doon ko na gagawin yung ating ano, Elf on the Shelf. Oh my gosh, day 20 na tayo guys. I can't believe 5 days na lang Christmas na. My God, can you believe that? Dahil I cannot. So, ato guys, before ko end yung vlog, pakita ko sa inyo yung lumpia na narap ko. Tulog na sila lahat, ako na lang yung gising. So, nasa ref na siya para tingnan niyo. So, ayan, dalawa siya. So, hindi ko lahat yan ano dun sa party ni daddy. So, yung iba dyan is gagawin natin for sa ating elf, ano ba yun? Sa ating white elephant sa Sunday. So, para hindi na ako gagawa. And then, sa Christmas Eve, I have to make another batch kasi yun din ang requested nila. So, tatago ko muna to si Buddy. Baka mamaya makita nila kung nasan si Buddy. Tinago muna natin siya. So, pero mamaya naman, pagkagising ng madaling araw gagawin na natin siya. Tinamad na talaga kasi ako gumawa ngayon dahil inaantok na rin ako and magtatanggal pa ako ng makeup. So guys, i-end ko na ang vlog. Thank you guys sa pag-watch sa amin today sa Christmas party ng mga bata. Hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog, but medyo okay naman yung kanilang Christmas party. Medyo hindi talaga kagaya sa Pilipinas na talagang fun and talagang memorable ang Christmas party. Dito, nothing. Hindi mo talaga pwede i-compare ang mga naranasan mo sa mga ngayon. So, yeah, walang katulad talaga sa Pilipinas ang lahat. Yung Pasko, birthday, Christmas party, yan wala talaga. Talagang sa Pilipinas. Masaya talaga sa Pilipinas. Masaya talaga. Kaya walang katulad. But anyways, tutulog na ako guys. Good night and thank you guys sa pagsama sa amin today. Good night.
Scrambled.
Yes, this is scrambled. Look at that.
Like right there.
So we're making
Over there.
chocolate. So we're making hot chocolate.
We're making hot chocolate. I thought we were
And
making
then we had
eggs.
some eggs. You right here, you're making it a chocolate eggs, right? Chocolate eggs. Chocolate milk right there. You're stirring it.
This is how you make chocolate milk.
Well, not really, but that's how I kind of like
You
it.
need chocolate mixed with milk. You need to mix chocolate with milk.
Yep. Sissy, hi.
Hi, and many more.
Quit with the many more.
And many more.
Many more, not any more.
Many more.
Many more.
Can I
You what?
Is this a little fork?
Yes.
This is oh,
That's a little fork.
there's no more. There's something to say. Done.
You done? Alright, Sissy, you want to do it again one more time?
Yeah. We need 3 more turns. 3 more. I finished it.
Ayan guys, meron na silang hot chocolate. Stir it. There you go. Si Troy, naglagay ng marshmallow.
Mine.
Okay. And whipped cream. Oh. Then si Sissy, marshmallow lang yung nilagay ni Sissy sa
Stir,
kanya.
stir, stir it. Stir, stir, stir it. Mommy, look. The marshmallows are starting.
To melt, yeah.
They're melting like candy.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's
Well, you
not.
better eat your eggs too, ma'am.
Or they might get bad.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
You almost done?
So I do what I do. Grab 2 marshmallows and try it.
Darling, I get you on my mind when Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you, want you.
So here's Kuya. And here's Kuya Caleb.
I'm not ready.
And then there's hot chocolate kasi nag-work sila outside. Help nila si lola nila.
It was cold like coffee.
So, is it good?
It's delicious.
Is it good? Good. Alright, so here is mine guys. Tignan nyo naman si hot chocolate ito guys eh. Pero coffee na lang muna. Coffee is life. Ayan, kain tayo.
Coffee is kind of like life.
Okay, you need to eat because you wanted 2 bread, so you better eat that.
Alright.
Good, Kaylo? Okay. Favorite ni Kaylo bang sundae side up egg? And then Kuya likes scrambled egg. And I do love sundae side up egg. So guys, ito na yung lumpia. Naprito ko na siya. Ayun, oh my gosh, nagmamadali na tayo. Ayan, ito naman kay daddy. So, sineparate ko yun sa kanya. Kasi alam ko ito mauubos to eh. So guys, na-deliver ko na kay daddy yung lumpia at saka yung baon niya. So, ngayon, nandito tayo sa parking lot ng Walmart. And oh my gosh, sobrang busy dahil we have like 5 days left until Christmas. So, it is busy. Like, busy. Like, oh my gosh. Alam na naman ang ingir sa Pesco. But like, sobrang busy. Oh my gosh. Tapos, meron pang, kailangan makauwi tayo agad dahil merong storm na parating na kaya kailangan may pinapabalik kasi ang aking mother-in-law, so kailangan natin bilhin. Ano ba yan? So let's go. Lamig pa, my gosh, daming sasakyan. Alright, let's go. Ayan guys, yun nyo. Haba ang layo ng pinagparkingan ko. Ay, meron pala dito. Ano ba yan? Ito na tapat ako nagpark. Tapos ang lamig pa. My lord day. Hoy. Big. Saga dito ako sa mga toys. Kasi favorite ni Natalia tong Spidey and Amazing eh. Si Ghost Spider. Tapos ito naman si Troy. Pero tingnan nyo. $10. Itong ano, $15. Oh my gosh, ang mahal naman ito. But I think, parang like gusto ko lang kasing dagdagan yung ano nila. Ito, wala nang ano, wala nang si Ghost Spider. Wala na.
Oh my gosh, Ethan, that's cute.
Guys, I'm done. Oh my gosh, tignan nyo. It's snowing outside. Oh my god, it's snowing. Pero ano siya, hindi siya yung talagang ano, kasi ano, para siya umuulan. Holy crap. Alright, let's go home kasi van ang gamit natin and medyo nakakatakot. This is my first time driving na nag-snow. Oh my god! Ayan, nag-snow. Oh my gosh. Gusto niyo makita ng original? Wow, original. Ayan. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Ano sa jacket ko? Okay, let's go. Before pa maging masama ito, let's go. Oh my gosh, the snow. So guys, nahatid ko na yung mga pinabili ng aking mother. Now, uwi muna ako. Yung mga junakis ko, ayaw pa nila umuwi. So, magbabalot tayo ng regalo. Para meron tayong ano. So, magbabalot ako ng gift. I don't know kung magbabalot ako today or tinatamad na naman ako. So, gusto ko kasi magluto eh. Gusto ko ng sinigang. Nakabili ako ng buto-buto. So, baka magluto ako. While, nandoon sila. So, doon na rin sila kakain. I-spaghetti yung lola nila. Kaya, spaghetti yung kanilang kakainin for dinner. Because ang lamig. Woo! Lamig.
Close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight?
ito yung nakita ko. M&M siya. So, 4 more sleep. And actually, 4 days na lang talaga Christmas na. So, ayan. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad na nagawa ko to. Oh my gosh. Ayan. Sobrang hirap niyan ha. Yung S ko napakaliit oh. Tapos ang laki-laki ng iba kong letter. Saka pa. Ayan mo na yan. Ayan, I'm done. I'm done. So, tapos na tayo guys. 4 na araw na lang natin. Actually, 3 days na lang natin gagawin to kasi sa New Year's Eve New Year's. Bakit ba ako puro New Year's Eve? Oh my God. Sa Christmas Eve, ang last day niya. Actually, actually, Christmas Christmas Eve ng umaga, yun na yung last day ni Buddy kasi New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve, siyempre darating si Santa, diba? So, yan, last day na lang niya yun. And last day na lang natin gagawin until next year. Oh my gosh. Anyways, matutulog na ako guys. Oh my gosh. Lagi na lang ako ganito yung tulog ko. Grabe. As in. I'm excited. So, nakapag tayo dito kaganina, diba, nagbabalo tayo ng gift. So, nakapag-wrap ako ng gift. Siguro mga apat lang yung narap ko, no? Kasi nakipag-usap ako sa aking mother at saka sa kapatid ko, kaya ayun, tayo, tsaka sinundo ko yung mga bata. So, pag may time ako ulit tomorrow, I'm gonna wrap another present kasi para hindi na ako ngarag-ngarag kapag Christmas Eve, kasi nga hindi mag-Christmas Eve tayo dun sa house ng tita ng asawa ko. So, kaya magiging ngarag-ngarag na naman tayo. But anyways, ang dami ko sinabi. Matutulog na ako guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope wala akong pupuntahan tomorrow kasi I need to wash clothes. And para pag sa Pasko wala tayong labahan. Well, maglalaba pa rin naman ako before mag-Christmas. But yeah, para wala tayong kalat. Alam niyo yun. At saka babalutin ko din tong malaking yan. Babalutin ko yan kasi gift namin yan sa aking father-in-law. So, babalutin ko pa yan. So, marami pa talaga akong babalutin, guys. So, yeah. So, anyways, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you again tomorrow. Good night.